Hey there, I missed rehearsal last night for the show, Binge Culture. We're doing a performance at Bats on the 11th and the 19th. You guys, thank you. Johnny Bird, Plummeting first show. I'm sorry I missed rehearsal last night. And so, if you'd like to come see the show, it's the 11th to the 19th of February. Don't do a show on Sunday night. And, excuse me, sir? I missed rehearsal last night and I'm sorry. I'm genuinely sorry that I missed rehearsal. I didn't turn up to rehearsal last night and this happened. No, we got more. You can have the old one if you want. As a token. Last night we showed Drowning Bird Plummeting Fish at the Fringe Festival. I was booting. Sorry. What if someone wants to use the ATM? They put them in the worst possible place. Drowning Bird Plummeting Fish is... Touch me! We're a device company called Binge Culture. We've been together for about a year now. We sort of take ideas. I need a bigger rope. Fish, I missed rehearsal last night. I'd like to apologise on behalf of the group Binge Culture. Would like a dry one. Can't do what you want me to do if you don't give me a bigger rope! And this is our first sprint show with it's going, we think, quite well, and so what have I learned from the process? Turn up to rehearsals mainly. I can't do any more! What do you want me to say? From Bats at 9:30 on the 11th to the 19th of February. You don't see real life SM on the street anymore. Those were the good days. This is unprofessional. The Drowning Bird Plummeting Fish. It's at the Fringe Festival. Sorry.